Introducing Greenis Twin Star Slow Juicer. Slow juicer market has seen a dramatic rise throughout the past decades. However, the current market is flooded with a number of slow juicers falling into various categories with diversified pricing and quality. So we have this challenge. How can we defy the convention and create something extraordinary? Today we are introducing Greenis Twin Star Slow Juicer. We have been completely rethinking the inside and the outside. It has double feed tubes that refine the way we prepare blended juice, a smaller footprint for easy storage in modern kitchen, redesigned juicing mechanism for stable performance, and a lot of more new features that aim to take slow juicer industry further ahead. Double feed tubes design. Nutrition and flavor are two things in our mind when we do juicing, and it is becoming widely known that quality juices are made after being fully blended rather than roughly mixed. People normally juice more than one single kind of fruit or vegetable. They juice two or more in order to achieve results that suit their taste in the first place. But more importantly, flavor and nutrients from different kinds of fruits and vegetables are supposed to be blended and mingled for maximum nutrition value. Meanwhile, blended juice tend to be absorbed more effectively by human body. With Twin Star's double feed tubes, juices are more blended than ever. In Twin Star, blending process all begins with the initial stage, right at the point when you put kinds of produce down the feed tubes simultaneously. The squeezing screw is masticating kinds of produce and creating a dense mixture. In the meantime, with juice cap closed, the mixture of produce is compressed to the maximum extent in the confined space of juicing mechanism. This is where magic happens, as nutrition and flavor from different ingredients are blended and mingled. To put it simply, the blending process goes on all the way inside the juicing mechanism before juices are ejected fresh and nutritious. Double feed tube is practically an innovative and down-to-earth design. It is not technically easy at all to shrink the size of a machine. The bulky size is due to bulky motor inside. Therefore, reducing the size inevitably involves re-engineering the motor in the first place before we come to a solution of reducing the size of machine housing. The tricky challenge is, how can we reduce the size of an AC motor that has been unchanged ever since slow juicers came into being? On the other hand, DC motor, notorious for its wimpy performance, is out of the question. To strike a balance between performance and appearance, we eventually took the approach of re-engineering AC motor from scratch by introducing planetary gearbox after painstaking research and development. Unlike traditional gearbox that sits at the side of the motor platform, which accordingly makes AC motor bulky in size, planetary gearbox on a technological level uniquely offers the possibility of being seated right at the center of machine platform, which accordingly brings motor size down considerably. So we have a compact juicer with smaller footprint. In the practical sense, Twin Star juicer is able to fit under or in the kitchen cabinet for carefree convenience. In other words, Twin Star sports still powerful performance, but with a more compact shape to fit modern kitchens. Engineering a product at the stage of a technical drawing is simple. When it comes to the stage of experimenting it in real-world situations, problems that were never expected often arise. Stability of a juicing bowl is such a thing. To ensure absolute stability of juicing bowl goes to the very core of what we call concentricity, determined by if a vertical line is formed or not for all rotating parts involved in this drive system. Any part that exists, tolerance error may lead to failure of rotation of drive system. That, however, requires all parts are uniform, precisely in shape, right from when they are molded in the injection molding machine. On the top of that, we creatively redesigned the platform of motor base. 4 slots engage with juicing bowl as firmly as bolt nut structure. Make juicing bowl work without any shaking during operation. Greenis put safety in the first place when we were selecting plastic materials, so we used Triton material to make juicing bowl and containers. Renowned for its BPA-free feature, Triton material has become an industry standard as well as a healthy and non-toxic icon. Squeezing screws must be robustly engineered to withstand brute force, especially when grinding tough leafy greens and city produce. Autumn PEI is a type of resin, renowned for its unmatchable hardness and wear resistance. It is 8 times harder than the counterparts used on other single-auger juicers, so it is perfect to be built for squeezing screw. Triple strainers come in handy. You can effortlessly adjust the amount of pulp in the juice. Fine strainer for pure juice, coarse for poppy juice. With blank strainer, the twin style is more versatile. Nut butter and ice cream can be easily made with it.